Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of chapter wise revision. So let us begin chapter 3 of class 10th. So the chapter 3 is pair of linear equation in two variables. So this is the booklet from the department. So let us see what they have like points to remember. Very important is in this is general form. We know that general form of pair of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So they may ask you question for 1 marks. Write the general form of pair of linear equation. So here this is about the general form. The next important, we all know that there are like method, graphical method and elimination method. Now here the next important thing is this tabulation is very important. So we should know here a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. When a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then it is intersecting line. Which line? Intersecting line, and it has exactly only one solution, that is unique solution. So the system is consistent or sometimes dependent. So here a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, intersecting line, unique solution. Now a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Everything is equal. a1 upon a2 also equal to b1 upon b2. That is also equal to c1 upon c2. Then it is coincident line. It has infinitely many solution. So coincident means infinitely many solution. Like that, now a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, which is not equal to c1 upon c2. Then it is a parallel line. So these three conditions we should remember it well. One is intersecting line, the next is coincident line, and the next is parallel lines. So if there is parallel lines, there is no solution. So we should remember that is no solution. Let us see the multiple choice question here. They have told the lines represented by 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0 are which line? Like they have given options: intersecting line, parallel line, perpendicular line or coincident line. Let me write the given equation. The given equations are here. First one, 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. Then 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. We have three conditions we know. So I'll write a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Let us see which condition it satisfies. 2 upon a1 is 2. We should know that this is a1, this is b1, this is c1, this is a2, this is b2 and this is c2. a1 2 upon a2 4 is equal to b1 3 upon c1 b2 6 and c1 minus 9 upon c2 minus 18. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Minus minus get cancelled, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. That means every answer is half. Half is equals to half. These three are also equal. Just now in a tabulation we have read that if a1 upon a2 is also equal to b1 upon b2, which line? Coincident line. So you can write here the correct option is D, coincident line. So second one. What is the second one? If the lines drawn to the linear equation of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0 are coincident on each other. See, reverse way they have asked. Condition coincident they have given. Then the correct relation among these of the following is 1, 2, 3, 4 options they have given. Just now we have seen that coincident is nothing but a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is also equal to c1 upon c2. So the correct option is first one. Okay. So a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. This is about the coincident line. Now question number 3. In the pair of linear equation, again standard form only they have taken. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Condition which it is? a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Then the equations have no solution, equations have unique solution, equations have three solution, equations have infinitely many solution. You should always remember that a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Then equations have unique solution. Okay, so the correct answer is B, equations have unique solution. Okay, question number 4. The lines represented by x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 are which line? Like same problem previous year equations we will write. They have given x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Which lines? Let us see. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equals to c1 upon c2. We'll just write and then let us see which condition it satisfies. This a1 is 1. a1, so a1 value is 1. Nothing means 1. b1, c1. So first equation all 1. a1, b1, c1. a2, b2, c2. Let us see now. a1 is 1. a2 is 2. b1 value is 2. b2 value is 4. c1 value is minus 4. And c2 value is minus 12. So this 1s are 2s are. So this is equal. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. What about this? Minus minus get cancelled. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So here 1 by 2 we got. Here 1 by 2 we got. But here 1 by 3 which is not equal. So which condition it is? The condition is nothing but parallel lines. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 which is not equal to c1 upon c2 is nothing but parallel lines, because they have told here whether the lines are intersecting, perpendicular, parallel. So correct answer is parallel lines. Okay. Now let us see next question. For the pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. Most of the time general they ask, general form it is a2x plus b2y plus c2 having unique solution. So unique solution which condition? C. a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So the correct answer is C. Okay, let us see the pair of linear equation having infinite solution. So let us see infinite solution. Which equation have infinite solution? So condition for infinite solution first let us write. Question number 6th now. Condition for infinite solution. Infinite solution. So condition for infinite solution is nothing but a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is also equal to c1 upon c2. So now here they have given 4 options. This. Now let us see here 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is also 1. 6 minus 6 by plus 6. 1, but sign minus 1 it will be. Here 1, here also 1, but here it will be minus 1. So it is not equal. a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. Let us see this. X upon x, that is 1 upon 1, 1. Minus y, okay, 1. Plus 10, 1. So this is the correct answer. B is the correct answer because all values are 1. Here first one is 1, second one is 1, third one is minus 1. So it cannot be. Second one is all 1. 1 upon 1, minus 1 upon minus 1, 10 upon 10. So correct option we got. No need to see this. Okay. Here let us see now. The equation does not intersect with 2x plus 3y is equals to 5 is. Which equation does not intersect? Intersect means you know that a1 upon a1 upon a2 should not be equal to b1 upon b2. So here 2x plus 3y is a given equation. This is a given equation. Now first option they have told 4x plus 6y is equals to 11. Okay, now let us see 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6 is equal to 5 by 11. So 2 upon 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are. This is equal, but this is not equal. So it is not intersecting. Intersecting means we know that first only not equal. So this is only the correct option, that it does not intersect, because here it is. Intersecting means first only it is not equal. Here this is which condition? So the condition for the last one is what? That is parallel. So they are asking the question what here? Which does not intersect. This is only which does not intersect. So let us check second one option so that you can understand it well. So the second one option is 12x plus 10y is equals to 0. 12x plus 10y is equals to 0. Now let us see with this. This is the given question. 2 by 12 is equal to 3 by 6 is equals to 5 by 0. 2 ones are 2 6 are, 3 ones are 3 twos are. See, 1 by 6, 1 by 2, which is not equal. So this is does not intersect means this. So the correct answer is this. Okay. Now next question. The graphical representation of pair of linear equation in two variable in which their ratios coefficient are a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2 is intersecting graph. You will get intersecting line. Okay. Here what they see, this is the incomplete question. So we cannot solve. They didn't give by mistake here, printing mistake. They didn't give any options only. So let us leave this question. Okay. Let us see the next question. The pair of linear equation 4x plus 3y is equals to 10 and 8x plus 6y is equals to 20 have which solution? Okay. So these equations have which solution? Let us see a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Okay. Now 4 by 8 is equals to 3 by 6 is equals to 10 by 20. Which condition it satisfied? Let us see. 4 ones are 4 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 10 ones are 10 twos are. All equal. All equal means which conditions? All equal is coincident line, infinitely many solution. So here they have asked what? The pair of linear equation have unique solution, no solution, infinite solution. So answer is infinite solution because all things are equal. Okay. So the correct option is C, infinite solution. Now very short answers we can see here. They have given graph. The given graph represent pair of lines equation in two variables. Write how many solution these pair of equations have. You can see here the lines are intersecting. So intersecting at one point. So intersecting graph is nothing but unique solution. That is one solution. So here let us see the pair of linear equation represented by line has no solution. So the equations which have no solution, so what kind of lines are these? So the lines are parallel, because we know that in this chart it is told that if there is no solution, which lines? Parallel lines. So we should remember this. So here we can easily say that if the pair of linear equations by the line have no solution, they have told no solution, then which lines are these? Parallel lines. Okay. Now let us see the question number 3. In two linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1, this is again the general form, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 of a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Write the number of solution. We know that when a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, the solutions are unique solution. Okay, so unique solution. Now that is exactly one solution. Here this question is bit different. If x is equals to a, and y is equals to b is the solution of equation x minus y is equals to 2 and x plus y is equals to 4, then find the values of a and b. Here x value and x is equals to a they have told, and y is equals to b they have told. Okay, let me write the equations. Given equations I'll write. Question number, like I have completed till here, it was like 10, 11, 12, 13th one we have completed. Now 14th one, just continue numbers you give here. So x is equals to a and y is equals to b they have told, and the given equations are x minus y is equals to 2 and x plus y is equals to 4. Find the value of a and b. So let us write here first equation. In place of x, a minus b is equals to 2, a plus b is equals to 4. Solving 1 and 2, we know that. How we know to solve? A minus b is equals to 2, a plus b is equals to 4. See here, we can see we cannot cancel a because a have both positive numbers. We can easily cancel b because one positive, one negative can be eliminated. So a plus a 2a, 4 plus 2 6. A is equals to 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So a is equals to 3 we got. Now put a is equals to 3 in 1. Let us take 1. A minus b is equals to 2. 3 minus b is equals to 2. Minus b is equals to 2. 3 if I take here, minus 3. Minus b is equals to minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. B is equals to 1. They have told in the question find the value of a and b. So a 3 and b 1 we got. Okay. Now let us see the next question. So here the next question is, prove that x is equals to 5, y is equals to 3 is not a solution of pair of linear equation. Not a solution. This question we have to understand it well. X value is 5 and y value is 3 they have told in the question. Is not a solution, we have to prove. Let us see, they have given the equation 3x minus 2y is equals to 4 and 6x minus 4y is equals to 8. So let me write the question first. Given question 15, x value they have given 5 and y value they have given 3. We should prove this is the not a solution of equation 3x minus 2y equals to 4 and 6x minus 4y is equals to 8. Like in your previous years, like in 9th standard, you people have learned that which is the not solution of a equation and solution of a equation. Let us check now. In place of x we will put 5 and place of y we will put 3. 3 into 5 minus 2 into 3, this equal to 4. Now this is LHS, this is RHS. If both are equal, then they are solution. If both answer we won't get equal, then we can say it is not a solution. But here they have told to prove it is not solution. Let us see. 5 3s are 15 minus 2 3s are 6 is equals to 4. 15 minus 6 is 9. So 9 is equal to 4? No, it cannot be equal to 4. So we proved that it does not satisfy. So it does not satisfy this value. X is equals to 5 and y is equals to 3 does not satisfy equation 1. So it is not solution. Here let us see now. 6 into x value is 5 minus 4 into y value is 3 is equals to 8. 6 5 is 30, 4 3 is 12 is equal to 8. 30 minus 12 is 18. Whether 18 is equal to 8? No. So it does not satisfy equation 2 also. Okay, so it does not satisfy equation 1 also, equation 2 also. Hence x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 3 is not a solution. Not a solution. They have told us to prove now, so we proved and shown that they are not a solution. Okay, let us see now next question. Here the next question number 6. For what value of k Will the pair of linear equation kx plus 2y is equals to 5 and 3x plus y is equals to 1 have unique solution? Okay, for what value of k? Unique solution they have told. So let us write the first condition for unique solution. So the question number 16 now. What they have asked here, for what value of k? Okay, for what value of k? Equations are kx plus 2y is equals to 5 and 3x plus y is equals to 1 have unique solution. Okay, according to condition, unique solution is what? Unique solution is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Okay, so let me write. So a1 is k, a2 is 3, b1, this is a1, this is b1, this is c1, this is a2, this is b2, this is c2. So b1 value is 2 upon b2 is 1. Not equal they have told. Now for what value of k? We will find. Cross multiply we will do. It is not equal, we will cross multiply. K1 is a k is not equal to 3 to the 6. For value 6 they are not equal. Okay, for what value of k they have asked now? So for value 6 they are not equal. Okay, now let us see next question, question number 17, last questions of multiple choice. Okay, if ax plus by is equals to ax square minus bx square and bx plus ay is equals to 0, then find the value of x plus y. This is bit different question is, let me write the question. Ax plus by is equals to a square minus b square and bx plus ay equal to 0. Find the value of x plus y. Okay, let me write now. A1 value is a, b1 value is b only, but c1 value is a square minus b square. Here same thing, a2 value is b, x term is b, and b2 value is a, c2 value is 0. Okay, according to the given question, what they have asked, they didn't ask here a1 value, a2 value is not required. Actually they didn't give any condition. By mistake I thought some condition is given, so it is not required because they have told directly two equations they have given. And then find the value of x. Okay, then find the value of x means ax plus by equal to a square minus b square, bx plus ay equal to 0. Let us solve and see this, what we'll get. We cannot cancel anything, right? We will write a minus b, adding 1 and 2. If we add 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2. What we get? A plus b, adding both x plus b plus a y. A plus b and b plus a y we got. Here a square minus b square plus 0 is a square minus b square. Okay, now we can see here this side a plus b both common. You can see, right? A plus b is common. I'll take outside. What is left? X left. If a plus b is common, what left? Y left. This side a square minus b square formula is a plus b, a minus b. So they are in multiply position, right? So we can easily get cancel. A plus b get cancel. So value of x plus y is nothing but a minus b. They have asked to find the value of x plus y. Now we got the value of x plus y is a minus b. So this completes the multiple choice questions from department. So in my next video, I'm going to start with the solutions of the problem for 2 marks. Okay, do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.